What is up, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. Yeah, you may wonder why I have so much energy, because I'm sick, and guess what? It's the middle of summer. How? I don't know, but when the going gets tough, you can't let it get you down. So take your energy from where it's at and like multiply, because you know what? I'm feeling good as a person, even though I'm still sick. Anyway, today we got an awesome install for you guys. Yes, you gotta rep these glasses inside here, guys. I'm just telling you, dude. First of all, it is hot. I'm sweating inside. It is really, really bad out. It's like 90 degrees, and yeah. So, anyway, we got an install today for the charger. I should have done this a long time ago, but this is a company that with this channel, why did I put those down? Anyway, this channel, I want to connect you guys with some of the best companies out there. And this company, I was honestly looking at in general for the charger, because the solutions there are like null. But let's break this open and I'll tell you all about this, because I love connecting you guys with awesome companies. Also, yesterday's successful project, to be honest, bikes hanging up. Like those hooks, Amazon, like 13 bucks, got 8 of them. Awesome. Get the bikes out of the way and away from the car, because they were literally in the back corner over there. But now they're on the ceiling. Out of the way. Awesome. Let me set you up over here. Guys, you can probably just see the glaze on my face. It is so hot. So hot. Well, we're having a good time in Ohio, which is funny. Like, so first favorite state, definitely Ohio. Second favorite state, Arizona, because it could be 110 and not 92, and I still would not be sweating like I am right now. It is crazy here in Ohio. The humidity is just out of bounds. So, oh my goodness. I'm actually laughing because I had no idea this part of it was coming. Lime green t-shirt. I just want to say thank you to ProClip. You guys are hilarious. That's awesome. Obviously, you guys can see ProClip. Now, here is what this is. Yes, I used to, let's see what else we got in here real quick. I was that person. Obviously, if you guys don't know, I am a pop socket user. It's just nice, simple. Use your phone, especially with these new phones that are so big. Pop socket user. So, in my Jetta, I had the pop clip that would slide in there. The truck, this charger, both have horrible mounting locations for a pop clip. ProClip offers mounting solutions for almost any vehicle out there, which is just awesome, like specific to your car. This charger, I think, has like 3 different options, and I'll show you the one I selected today, because I need my phone in that location, because there's no place to put the phone in this car. All right, so as you guys can see in this car, there's literally no flat space to put a pop clip and have your phone just like hanging. The charger and ProClip, they have a few options. The one we picked today is legitimately the one that goes right here. So obviously when your car's in gear, your phone will be sitting right here. They make them specific for almost every vehicle out there. You guys know all like the universal mounts, the suction cups to the windshield, stuff like that. These are made specifically for your vehicle application, so they are mounted in locations that would make sense for the car you're in. Okay, so let's show you how quick this actually is. So it says get the little clip for that one, but you legitimately don't even need that. There's that. That's kind of where that one is. You just kind of stick it in there. So what we're gonna do is pull the 3M. It is so hot, guys. And then we're gonna line it up there and about there. They're just gonna push it in, turn that, break the wedge out, and then there it is. That's in there, just like that. All right, so simple as that. The mount is installed. Now they send you each individual, I guess, also secondary part to the mount for your phone, whatever phone you have. And then they send you 4 screws, and you're gonna take this plate and you're gonna stick it on the mounting clip in your car. So let me show you that real quick. And you could kind of see how these, they're kind of pre-drilled almost, so. And now that those are tight, legitimately put this thing back in, tighten it down. And then after that's tight, kind of make sure it's at the angle you want it from the driver's seat. All you really have to do is, I mean, they're made so you slide your phone in, but I also found that just in testing, you could, boom, snap it in, and there you go. And from the driver's seat, you've got a perfect view of whatever you need. There you go. Look at that. The perfect phone mount, because there's not a place in here to put this darn phone. You know what I'm saying? So it's in a perfect mounting location. Just awesome. If you guys didn't catch a video a while back, I took these out of the Jetta and I put them in here. Now each of these JL10W3s run at 500 watts RMS each. Now my question for you guys in the comments below, best amp. The best amp for the audio systems, whether you build or use. Let me know in the comments below. I need to get an amp set up very soon. Same thing with wiring. You guys can tell me what you recommend and what you've used in the past. Let me know in the comments below. Next, as for wattage, they run at 500 watts RMS each. I have literally, are you guys seeing the it was like the 1500 watt Boss Audio amp, which is like, I know Boss Audio, that's like a quarter of what it actually like puts out. Like I get it, but it was 50 bucks at the time, and I only had one sub at the time when my last one blew, and then I bought two and then the new box. So I've just been using that since. In hour-long trips, it did overheat. So I want to get an amp that will not overheat and will actually push those subs right. So let me know in the comments below brand and like actual wattage I should be looking for. Oh guys. $91. And that we're in the garage in the shade. Imagine when it's like in the sun. And I gotta wash my truck after this because it is filthy and I want to get all the mud off. And yeah, so it's gonna be bad. I think I'd make it, but I'm not gonna risk it. I'm just gonna back the truck up. The way diesel smells when it's hot and the way diesel smells when it's cold, completely different. However, they both smell incredible. Want some wings? Oh, let's get it. This car, oh my goodness, guys, it is just an animal. Oh, that makes me feel good inside. Holy cow, this thing's just awesome. Uh-oh, guys, this is not good. Loose stone. Oh my goodness. Oh, my poor paint. Oh my goodness. Why is there loose stone on the road? And why is that a caution sign? Like, who authorized that? And I'm gonna have to take my truck out later? Oh, that's not gonna be good. Not gonna be good at all. Ooh, look at that. A clean truck is a happy truck. It's still not as clean as I would like. Eventually I want to get through here and like do another, hello, like a full buff or something on this truck. But for now, it's pretty darn clean. Especially the wheels and the tires and all the mud that was on it. Oh, it looks so much better. I take care of the Charger like tomorrow, clean that up, but I'm about done for the night. As you can see, I missed power washing that mud off. Come on, man. But hopefully, tomorrow's video, it should, if everything plays out, it should be tomorrow's video. We are going to be doing something with the headlights on this truck. I know a lot of you guys ask me about this all the time. Tell me to do this. So we're going to be doing something awesome with the headlights on this truck. Now I got a question for you, because obviously these are black, and obviously you guys know I'm getting off-road bumpers before SEMA, yes. However, these in the meantime, for the next month maybe, I could get the cube mount, so I could put 2 cube lights in here, but the problem is at this height I don't want to be shining in people's eyes because I always run the fog. Or do I just get the black fog light housings? I think either Oracle or Spider or somebody makes a black fog light housing for the Ram 2500. So let me know if I should get just the black housing to match the black housing headlights, or I should get the cube mounts in there. Let me know in the comments below. Oh, I'm getting sicker and sicker as the day goes on, but the truck's clean. Pro clip. Awesome install on the Charger today. And yeah, that should be it, guys, for today's video. Gonna wrap this up. I'm just getting but guys, If you enjoyed today's video, shoot this video a thumbs up. If you haven't been here before, please get down there, click subscribe. Take care. I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to check out ProClip for all your phone mounting needs.